Okay, so since we are dealing with common fraction, now we are going to subtract common fraction, okay? Let's say I'm having 25 over 20 minus 14 over 20, okay? So now the first thing we check is the denominator. The denominator is the same. If it's the same, we simply take one denominator and subtract the numerators. So it's 25 minus 14, okay? Then how do we multiply, how do we minus 25 and 14, okay? We say 25, then we have minus 14, okay? So in this case, we are going to say 5 subtract 4, which will give us 1, then 2 minus 1. So that means here we have 11 over 20, okay? That is our answer, okay?